Hello my kids. So we have done a lot of sums and additions in our notebook. Let's have some fun time. So let's revise the tables. Before also we have done the tables. Now let's start with the table of 6. Let us start. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. All of you will repeat after me. You stand up wherever you are sitting. Stand up on your feet and then repeat with my verse. Okay. So 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 26. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Now shall we start the table of 7? Yay! Very good. Let's start. Keep standing. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 40. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. Now shall we move a little bit fast? Let's start with the table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. Lovely. Yay. Now we will move on to the table of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 80. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. Now let's conclude our session with the table of 10. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. Repeat after me. 10 fives are 50. 10 sixes are 60. 10 sevens are 70. 10 eights are 80. 10 nines are 90. 10 tens are 100. It's lovely. You will also revise and repeat the tables at our home. Okay, my dear children? Okay. So, my dear kids, let's start the today's class with addition of 2 3-digit numbers without carrying. आज हम शुरू करेंगे 3 डिजिट नंबर्स, 3 डिजिट नंबर्स लेंगे. 2 नंबर्स है, सी 2 नंबर्स है here, 1 2. तो 2 3-digit numbers without carrying. Okay. So let's start. Whenever you are having 3 digit, जब भी आपके पास आप देखोगे कि 3 digits दिया हुआ है, तो इसका मतलब है this is on the hundreds place, 3 is on the tens place, and this 3 is on the ones place. That means 433. What is the number here? 433 and 254. हम जब कोई डिजिट बोलते हैं तो कैसे बोलते हैं? How do we say? Here it is written 433, 254. So let's arrange the digits in that manner. जैसे हमने बोला, in the same way we arrange the digits. हमने उसको वैसे ही सजा दिया. So what I have written? 433. 33. This is on the tens place and this is on the ones place. Now I have written 200. 2 is on the hundreds place. 5 is on the tens place and 4 is on the ones place. Now this question is having addition without carrying. मतलब हम कोई carry नहीं करेंगे. It is simple addition of 3 digits. So let's start with the ones place. How much we have on the ones place? 3 ones, 4 ones. So 3 ones and 4 ones is equal to 7 ones. 3 plus 4, 7. Now let us come to the tens place. How much do we have on the tens place? 3 tens, 5 tens. So let's add 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 tens. Now let us proceed to the hundreds place. We have 4 hundreds and 2 hundreds. So both the hundreds we will add. हम क्या करेंगे? दोनों को add करेंगे. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So with this it becomes 600, 8 tens, 7 ones. So the answer is 687. Very nice. Lovely. I hope you have understood. So kids, let's understand addition of two 3-digit numbers without carrying. We have already seen, this is the second example which I am explaining on the board. You have to do this in your notebook. आप इसको notebook पे उतारोगे और मैं इसका फोटो भी भेज दूंगी और आपको एक्सरसाइज पेज नंबर 48, 49 and 50. 48, 49 and 50 you have to do it in your book. I have the book with you. I am showing you the book. This is the book. Page number 48, 49 and 50. This all the sums you have to do it in the book as practice exercises. Okay, my dear children? So let me explain another example. Suppose you have given at 543. How do we read 543? हम कैसे बोलते हैं? 543 and 215. So here also I have written 543. 5 is on the hundreds place, 4 is on the tens place, 3 is on the ones place, and 215. 2 is on the hundreds place, 1 on the tens place, 5 on the ones place. Now what will we do? Add. Add means plus. So we will do addition. How will we proceed? We will always proceed with the one sign. कभी भी गलती से भी पहले 500 को ऐड मत कर देना तो गलत. मैडम 0 पूरा 0 डाल देना. So look carefully. Don't do it from the hundred side. Start from the one side. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Then let's add the tens place. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2 on the hundreds place we have 7. So what do we have now? 7 hundreds, 5 tens, 8 ones. So the number is equal to 758. So I hope you have understand. So you will do it in the exercise. This example you will do it in the notebook and these pages in your maths book.
So my dear kids, you have in front of you the slides where we can see the examples of 2-3 digits addition without carrying. Now look into the example. In the first example, we have 2-3 digits number. The numbers are 443 plus 224. That means 443 plus 224. Now, if we start adding, we will start adding from the ones place. So in the ones place, these sums you see are without carrying. So simply you will add in your fingers and you will write the answer. So in the ones place, you have 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. Now come to the tens place. You have 4 plus 2, which is equal to 6. And in the hundreds place also, you have 4 hundreds plus 2 hundreds, which is equal to 6 hundreds. So the answer is 667. Now come to the second example. The number is 603 plus 242. So when we start adding, we start again from the ones place. In the ones place, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then we have 0 plus 4. So 0 is no number. So any number when added to 0, that becomes that number itself. So 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Now on the hundreds place, you have 6 hundreds plus 2 hundreds, which is equal to 8 hundreds. So our answer is 845. Children, now let us see the third example. You have 336 plus 223. So again we start from adding from the ones place. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Then let's come to the tens place. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And on the hundreds place, we have the same number 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So our answer is 559. And on the last example, we have again 738 plus 151. If you add up this, you get the answer 889 without carrying. So in this way, I hope you can able to do the practice session. Now let's get into the first practice session. You have 4 sums which you all have to do in the notebook. The first sum is 830 plus 169. So you will start adding from the ones place and then you will proceed to the tens and then hundreds. Now let's see the next sum. The next sum is 433 plus 345. The same way you will proceed starting from the ones place, then to the tens place and then into the hundreds place. Now in the third sum, the sum is 882 plus 107. So when we will be doing the starting the sum from the ones place, you will add up the numbers. It is all without carrying. In the second place, you see on the tens place, you have 8 plus 0. So any number added to 0, you know what is the answer. So you will do it accordingly. And in the last sum, you see the number is 455 plus 344. So that also you will proceed without carrying and counting on your fingers. So now I hope you have understood. Let's proceed to the second practice session. In the second practice session also, you have 4 sums. These 4 sums also you have to do it in the notebook. Please copy the sums and then you proceed with the sums. Now please see the first sum is 177 plus 602. I'm just reading out the sums so that you don't have any doubt and then you will write the answer counting onto your fingers. The second sum is 370 plus 118. So in the same way as you have done in the practice session 1, similarly you will count onto your fingers and then you will do the addition. Come to the third sum. It is 250 plus 138. So you will count from on the ones place, 0 plus 8. You all of you know the answer. And then you will count the tens place and then to the hundreds place. and the last sum is 390 plus 520. So in the same way, you will count starting from the ones place and then to the tens and then to the hundreds. So in this way, you will finish up doing the sums in your notebook neatly and clearly.